Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Boxycharm for April 2020. Yes, Josie's super excited. This is a $25 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 full-size products valued at $125 or more. If you didn't know, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that on the screen right here. And I will also put the value of everything, the total value of the box, all the good stuff. So we'll find out if we're getting a good deal or not and if they're holding up to that $125 guarantee. Okay, let's just go ahead and open her up. Okay, so it looks like this when you open it up. The first thing right on top here, this is some sort of advertisement for the makeup eraser if you've never seen that. It's basically a washcloth sort of thing. It's like microfiber, I believe, and it's good for taking off your makeup, I guess, in a nutshell. So if you're trying to cut back on using makeup wipes and things like that, like I am, this comes in handy. I do have like 2 of these, I believe, plus 3 of a different brand. So these are pretty good. It does say on here you can use the code BOXY20 on makeuperaser.com to get 20% off, and that's good until May 8th. So there's that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to pull out is this little card right here. This will have the theme for the month, which looks like it is festival vibes. I don't know if anybody's going to be going to many festivals in this time. They probably have these themes picked out way in advance, so I don't blame them for this theme, but probably not the most appropriate given the world's circumstances right now. Anyways, in here we'll have everything we're getting as well as the value of them, so I will be sure to let you know the price. Alright, let's just go ahead and pull out our first item. Alright, so I'll just pull this out right on top. These are 3 sheet masks. They are from Tony Moly, which is unfortunately not cruelty free, so I will not be using these. But I'll go ahead and tell you the ones I got. I have a illuminating lotus sheet mask. I have a calming hemp sheet mask. And then I also have a purifying cactus sheet mask. So packaging, really cute. Kind of wish I could use these, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to use those. I do enjoy sheet masks though, so just kind of a bummer that I'm not going to get to use these ones. Let's see, the full size is $9. I'm assuming that's like $9 for all 3 of these, so maybe $3 per mask, which seems about right, but I'll let you know. Okay, let's go out and pull out our next item. Okay, so this next item is also not cruelty-free. This is from Benefit. This is the POREfessional Hydrating Primer. I don't know if they changed the packaging on this. It looks a little different, unless this one's just hydrating, but I thought it was different. I've never used this primer. I don't know much about it. I do prefer a hydrating primer, so this would have been a good one for me, but unfortunately, not a cruelty-free brand. So I won't be using this, but I can go ahead and give you a value on it. $32. So $32 for this, it seems kind of overpriced in my opinion. Just saying. But yeah, so I'm not going to be using that. Alright, let's go on to the next item, see if we can get something we can use. Okay, so the next thing is from Iconic London, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty-free. This is the Illuminator. And mine is in the shade Original. So, typically not a huge fan of liquid highlighters, but I will go ahead and give this a little drippity drip and see how we like it. So when I do use these, I tend to use them in the summer, so I guess it's a good time for this. And so there it is before I rub it in, and there it is after. So a little bit cool toned, icy, I guess is the word you would use for me personally. But once it's rubbed in more, it looks a little better, so I might be able to get some use out of that. Alright, and let's see, the value on that is $41, so a little bit expensive for that, in my opinion. Okay. Let's see, the next thing I have is from Dose of Colors, which is cruelty-free. This is the Lip It Up Satin Lipstick, and mine is in the shade Glazed. So there's the packaging, really cute. There's what the color, it says it's going to be. I hope it's not that light, otherwise I don't think I'm going to be able to use it. I wonder if I have one of these. Whoa, I was not expecting that. So there it is. I don't think I can use that color. It's too like brown tone for me. It smells good though. It smells like cake. So yeah, I'm gonna pass that on to somebody or toss it into a giveaway. I just feel like it would give me like concealer lip sort of thing. So definitely not gonna use that. Kind of a bummer though, because I would love to try their lipsticks. I've only tried their liquid lips. Valued at $17. So mid-range, I'd say, for a lipstick. Alrighty, so one last item. This is something from Zoeva, which is cruelty-free. Let's go ahead and take it out of this plastic. Okay, so this is the caramel melange. I'm not sure how you say that word. I don't even know if you can see that. It's so shiny. Let's go ahead and see. Never tried anything from this brand, so I'm sort of curious. Ooh, this is pretty. This is not what I was expecting at all. So, I was expecting like a lot of like brown tones, but it's more of like a neutral pink sort of color. It's picking up more brown on camera, but I guess there is a lot of browns in here, but there's pinks too. So definitely not what I was expecting. Kind of a boring palette, but I like boring. I wear boring makeup, so I'm not mad. I'll go ahead and do a couple swatches just because I'm curious about this brand. Okay, so there's a couple of them on my fingers. Look pretty decent. So, as usual, the mattes don't swatch that well. The shimmers are pretty good. This bottom color is like a brown with glitters in it. I'm not sure if you can see that, but kind of a different, interesting sort of color. Yeah, I definitely will give that a go. It definitely seems more vibrant too once I swatch it. Like that pink color looks way more orange. That's the shade Aftertaste. So, yeah, I definitely feel like this has like festival vibes to it. Interesting. Alright, and that is what, a 10 pan eyeshadow palette, and it is valued at 28 bucks. A little bit overpriced, I'd say, for what it is. What do you guys think? Okay, let me add everything up real quick just to see. Okay, so it's valued at $127, which is, wow, $2 over the $125 mark. I feel like this box used to be so much better. Like, it would say $125 and you'd get like $250 worth of stuff. So I definitely think it's gone down a little bit, but maybe it's because they have so many subscribers now they can't do all that. I don't know. This is also, I think, the first time I've gotten more than one item not cruelty-free in this box. I find that I very, very, very rarely get something that is tested on animals in this box in particular. They don't advertise to be cruelty-free, so I'm not like blaming them for it, but it's just interesting that I had two things that are not cruelty-free in this box when I typically get 0. But yeah, overall, I thought the box was okay. The eyeshadow palette's really the only thing I'm gonna use, and I guess these since I swatched them, but I don't know. It was just a okay box for me. It wasn't like my favorite box. It's not like the worst box, but definitely not the best, like I said. So anyways, I'd love to know what you guys thought of this box, so leave your comments right down there. Let me know your thoughts, opinions, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Bye, guys.